Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the Chrysler Group certified 2015 Jeep Patriot Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number B9789P. 20,000 miles on this Patriot. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, one owner, maximum steel metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy to read gate. Again, only 20,000 miles. Cruise control. Large 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. 4-wheel drive lock. The greatest capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. 115 volt outlet. Perfect for charging media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Patriot has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 172 horsepower. Just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway. All that with new tires. And don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.